Hi everyone. Institute issued model examination instruction for the foundation students. This is the PDF issued by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Steps to success model examination instruction. The model exam date will be, the exam will conduct from 25th August, that is Wednesday, to 29th August. The first session of the examination will be held from 10 a.m. to 10:25 a.m. That is first two papers. Paper 1 Fundamentals of Economics and Management and Paper 2 Fundamentals of Accounting. And we will have a 10 minutes break, and after that the second session will start from 10:35 a.m. to 11 a.m. That is Paper 3 Fundamentals of Law and Ethics and Fundamentals of Business Mathematics and Statistics. This is the schedule for foundation model examination. Okay. Only eligible candidates for the June term examination will be allowed to appear in this model examination, that we know. Before the examination, this is important, please keep your government identity proof. Please keep a government identity proof. This is very important. Voter card is allowed, driving license is allowed, Aadhaar is allowed, passport is allowed, and even student ID card from ICMAI is allowed. This need to be uploaded on the online examination page before starting the exam. Before starting the model examination, there is a procedure to upload the identity proof of yours. So keep it in a PDF form, that before the examination, before starting the examination, you have to upload it. And second thing is, please keep your registered ID, registration ID, that is login details, 12-digit identification number, date of birth, and passkey handy shared over mail or SMS. The passkey will be shared by the institute to your mail ID or through SMS. So these three things are required. What are the three things? Registration ID, date of birth, and passkey. You have to enter that details in that window. So please write it in a paper, and keep it yourself. Keep it with yourself, because you have to type that. Once you start the examination, all other windows will automatically closed. So if you want to check your register number, if you want to check your passkey, there is no other option left. So please write it in a paper and keep yourself. Okay. And ensure, please sit in a quiet room. Try to avoid bright lights. Please stay away from windows. Please update, this is very important, please update your Google Chrome and give permission to webcam and microphone. This is very important. Before starting the examination, please go to Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome go to settings. In that settings you can see permissions. In permission, please allow permission for webcam and permission for microphone. So during the examination there is no issue regarding your webcam and microphone. In this point, lot of students faced issues in earlier attempts. So please ensure you go to settings and give permission to allow webcam and microphone. Okay. The examination will start from sharp 10 a.m. Please ensure to log in at 10 a.m. itself. Then please ensure enough backup. Please charge your mobile phone or laptop or tablet. Before the examination, please keep it at 100% charge. So during the examination, there will be no issue regarding power backup. You can check your mobile phone or tab or laptop functionality of your system using the link. If you click this link or type this link in Google and click that link, you can see your laptop or mobile phone is compatible or not. So please ensure it is functioning very clearly, smoothly. Okay, basic infrastructural requirement. you have to have a continuous internet connection with 1 to 4 MB per speed, laptop computer with webcam and microphone functioning. Recommended browser, please use Google Chrome for the examination latest one, that is updated version. If your Google Chrome is not updated, please update before the examination. Mobile phone, you can use Android version 5 and above. Mobile phone with a functional front camera, because during the examination we have to open the camera and microphone. It is also recommended, this is very important, it's also recommended to use the same system for the actual test. The main examination will be held in 5th September. So if you writing the model examination from your mobile phone or from your laptop, please ensure the same system is using for the actual test also, because it will save time for system checking. If you use one system in model examination and use another system for main examination, you have to repeat all these processes, system checking, etc. for that main examination. So please use same system. During the examination, test is webcam and microphone enabled. If webcam microphone is not detected at the time or starting the test, the question paper will not load. Kindly allow the webcam or microphone access from Google Chrome. So during the before starting the examination, there is a notification. There will be a pop-up will come that please enable webcam and microphone. So please click yes for that. Or else you can enable that before examination also. Please, this is important. Do not press backspace, refresh, or close the window during the examination. If a technical issue is there, please wait for some time. Don't press backspace, refresh, or close the window. Do not submit the examination unless you have attempted all the questions. Test once submitted will not be reset. You need to attempt all the questions of the test in one go. All questions are mandatory. This is important. There is no negative marking. So please attempt all the questions. In case of power failure or internet failure, do not panic. Restart the test using the same login. If during the examination your internet connection is lost, after 5 minutes internet connection is again, it's okay, perfectly working. So don't panic. Re-login using the same login information from the same computer or laptop or mobile which you were using. You may change the internet service provider or internet connection system. If your phone have two SIM card, one SIM internet is not working properly, you can use another SIM, which means you can use another internet service provider. The test will start from the same question which you had left. Okay. Submit failure. This is important. Please do not panic in case your internet is failed at the time of submission. After attended all the questions, while you pressing the submission button, your internet is failed. Don't panic. You can change the internet service provider or internet connection system. Do not change the computer or laptop or mobile. Please do not change or switch to another device. Please use the same device. You can switch the internet service provider for getting the internet connection. It will be, after getting the internet connection is okay, it will be submitted automatically. This is a model examination and will not affect your final examination. If you fail in model examination, that does not affect your final examination. For final exam on 5th September, we will share contact details for technical help for timely resolution. Institute will share technical help for the students. In case of any queries during the model examination, if you have any query during the model examination, this is the mail ID. You have to mail to this mail ID for any query regarding model examination, or you can contact ICAIT. Okay. So step-by-step guide for the model exam, which will be held from 25th to 29th August. Please find below the details of your model exam of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India Foundation course on 25th August to 29th August. You can appear for the examination through any preferable device. You can appear through computer, that is PC. You have PC plus webcam. Okay. You can appear through laptop. You can appear through desktop or mobile. Okay. Please go through the candidate manual, videos and test instruction given in the links. Link to manual. There is a link here. You can click here. You will get candidate manual, videos for understanding the examination, what are the procedures. Okay. You can download this PDF from icmi.in under the section press release. Okay. So you will get this link to click. Okay. Please do not use the SAB tool before the exam date and time. SAB tool, which means this is the software that we are using for the examination. If you using laptop or desktop for the examination, for the model examination, check your system is compatible before starting the examination. You can check your system is compatible or not from this link. You can type this in Google and you can click that link. Automatic system compatibility test will be done. After that, you have to download the SAB tool from the below link. If you click here, you can get SAB tool, which is used for the examination, which is the software we have to use for the examination. Run the SAB tool or use the SAB tool as per your operating system. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, in all. Enter CMA 2021. After opening the SAB tool, there will be a window. You have to write CMA 2021 like this, which is known as access token. Okay. And after writing CMA 2021, click on start button. Your exam will start. After that, you have to upload your ID proof, etc., and you will redirect to the questions. Okay. Please close all other application and save your work before running SAB tool, because after getting into SAB tool, all other functions will stop. All other windows will stop. Okay. If you are using mobile phone for examination, that is Android devices only, which means you cannot write the examination in Apple devices. Download CoCube's assessment, SAB tool for PC and desktop. If you are using mobile phone, please download the CoCube's assessment, which is available in the Play Store. Find the below directly. You can download that app from this link. Okay, I will share this PDF link under the description box. You can download this PDF and use all this link to download all the app or PDF or like that. Before the examination, please go to Play Store and update your Google Chrome browser. And after that, everything is same. You have to enter CMA 2021 in assessment URL. Click to continue. Please note the login details before running the application. What are the data required? Login details, passkey, your date of birth and an ID proof. Okay. Login details. Note down on a paper before test. This is what I am saying. Registration ID. Enter your own identification number, registration number, registered date of birth, your registered date of birth with ICI and passkey. These are the three data required for login, and also an ID proof which you have to upload. In case of any query during the model examination, you can reach out to this mail ID, that is icmisupport@cocubes.com. So this is it. This is the instructions. Please follow, read this PDF clearly and understand what institute communicating with you regarding model examination instruction and attend the examination. If you have any query, please mail to that mail IDs, or else you can reach out me also. I will, if I know the answer for that, I will reply also. So thank you very much. All the very best for your exam. Study hard and appear the examination very well prepared. Thank you.